Cheap car insurance for under 25. Using an insurance broker on the internet to find cheap car insurance quotes is a great idea, mainly because being able to contrast and compare one deal to another is so fast and easy. There are many car insurance broker type sites that you can find by typing the word cheap car insurance quotes into the search engine box of a popular engine like Google or Yahoo. You will be presented with scores of results that show you where you can go to compare cheap car quotes from various providers. You can also use search query phrases such as cheap car insurance quotes or get cheap car insurance quotes to find what you want. This search method can work with other types of insurance as well, such as with homeowners insurance quotes. You can find broker sites that give you cheap car insurance quotes that have been put together by software, or you can find ones that will deal with you in person. Either way, these sites tend to be very competent and quick when it comes to replying to you with a follow-up email. They realize that business is very competitive, and in fact, if you do not receive an email right away, then you is probably dealing with an insurance broker that is not very reputable. The best providers of cheap car insurance quotes don't follow up with any kind of spam or try to sell you something else. The best providers of free cheap car insurance quotes will make sure that you have all the information that you need within an hour or two, or at the very latest by the end of the day. The better ones will give you exact instructions on how to compare cheap car insurance quotes with each other's. Some of them will even help you find the best provider in your area, which is why you are sometimes asked for your postal code or zip code. It is not to mail you flyers, but rather to find you the right insurance agent or car dealer as fast as possible. There are sites online that also will offer you 5, 6 and as many as 2 dozen cheap car insurance quotes within minutes. This kind of service is completely automated and does not cost you anything at all. All they want is basic info from you. Do not give any site or broker too much information about yourself. When comparing cheap car insurance quotes, there is no need to give anyone anything like your social insurance number or credit card number. Being asked for that kind of thing is the sign of a real con artist. No car insuring entity needs that information unless you are actually enrolled in some kind of plan. Keep in mind that when it comes to cheap car insurance quotes, that you get what you pay for. The cheaper your monthly premium is, the more your deductible is in the long run, and that is not necessarily a good thing. If you do not pay now, then you might just end up paying a lot later if you do have some sort of accident.